Hi there, students. I had a question from Grimjow about the difference between to dwell, to reside, and to live. Okay, the first thing to point out is dwell is much more formal than reside, which itself is more formal than live. Yeah. So to dwell, to live for a considerable amount of time in a place where you're settled. Yeah. So to dwell in a dwelling. Yeah. I think reside gives us the idea that this is the place where you spend your time. Whereas I think if you want to focus on the normal day-to-day things that you do, or your normal way of life, then I would use live. Yeah. So you reside in a residence. You live in the you spend your time in the house. But maybe in many countries, people actually live in the street, but they spend their time in the street, but when it's time for bed, they go to the place where they reside, their residence. I think so. Dwell is certainly a much more formal word. It also carries the idea of something that's very long term. Yeah, it continues on and on. So the thought dwelt in my mind for a long time. Whereas people used to believe that bravery, courage, resided in the heart. So notice here, I've used an abstract concept to say to reside. That's where you could find it. Or braveness resided in the liver. Yeah, is something else that they used to believe. I think live is a much more general word and has many more meanings. Yeah, to live, to be alive, to have life, to live, to have a permanent residence somewhere, to inhabit a place, to reside, to survive, to continue, to endure in somebody's memory. His memory lives on. Yeah, his memory will dwell on forever, continue to live, and that's I think the idea of dwell. It's something very long term. Yeah, you're just going to have to live with this situation to cope with it. Yeah, you don't dwell with it, but you have to live with it. So it's easy to live when you have lots of money. Okay, so he's talking about the daily things you do, whereas reside is talking about the place where you live, and to dwell has it has a much more permanent idea. Yeah. So something continues, it dwells. I've been dwelling on my problems. I've been thinking about them for a long time. Yeah, and reside it talks about the location where you stay. Okay, so formality, I think dwell, I'd probably give it I think maybe a 7.5 in formality. I wouldn't normally use dwell in an informal conversation unless it was the phrasal verb to dwell on, which I would give a 5 in formality. To live, 5 in formality, use anywhere. And to reside, maybe 6.5 in formality, something like that. To reside, I'm not sure I would use reside very much in an informal conversation. A semi-formal conversation, yes. A semi-formal writing, very definitely. And then as to origin, well, the word to dwell comes from Proto-Germanic dweljana, to hold up, to delay, to hesitate. From Proto-Indo-European dwell, to swirl round, to make something unclear. Okay, to live, okay, this comes from Proto-Germanic livjana, okay, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European lep, to leave, to linger, to stay. And then to reside, well, that comes from Latin through French. The Latin word resideo, to remain behind, like residue. Re, back, and sedeo, to sit. Okay, so dwell, more formal, more permanent. Reside, spend time in a place. Live, the daily things that you do. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To dwell, to live, and to reside.